How to order 3X4 genetics test on the Practitioner portal. Step 1. To get started, log into your 3X4 Practitioner portal. You will notice a purple button at the top right-hand corner of the page that says Order a Test. Click on it. Step 2. Once you have clicked the Order a Test button, you'll be taken to a page that shows the information you will need to have ready so that you can start the ordering process. Step 3. If you utilize our patient pay payment method, your client will immediately receive an email asking them to confirm their shipping address and pay for the order online. Once they pay, their kit will be shipped within 1 day and be delivered 1 to 3 days thereafter. They must confirm the order within 14 days or the order will expire and you will need to create a new one for them. If you utilize our Practitioner Pay payment method, you can select how many tests to order and then press Make Payment to proceed. Fill in your credit card details and follow the prompts. Once paid, the order will be shipped within 1 day and delivered 1 to 3 days thereafter. Note: before clicking Submit, double-check if your profile is set to Patient Pay or Practitioner Pay by viewing your portal settings. To do this, click on your name on the top right-hand corner and then click Edit Profile. Step 4. Once ordered, you can check the status of an order at any time by viewing its status on the patient's homepage or clicking on the hyperlinked order number for more details.